Let's explore how to set up MongoDB with Node.js. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have a smooth integration process. We will be using MongoDB along with Node.js. Before we begin, there are a couple of things you will need to have installed and ready to go. First, ensure you have the latest long-term support, or LTS version of Node.js installed, which includes the NPM or Node Package Manager. This is essential for managing our project dependencies. Secondly, you will need a MongoDB server running. This can be either locally on your machine or hosted on a cloud service, whichever suits your development needs. Now, let's install the MongoDB driver, which will allow our Node.js application to communicate with the MongoDB database. Open your terminal or command prompt and use the Node Package Manager, NPM, to install the MongoDB package. Simply type npm install MongoDB and press enter. This command downloads and installs the necessary MongoDB driver into your project. With the MongoDB driver installed, the next step is to import the MongoDB module into your Node.js application. Open your app.js, or the main JavaScript file of your project. At the top of the file, add the following line of code: const open curly brace Mongo client close curly brace equals require open parentheses single quote MongoDB single quote close parentheses semicolon. This line imports the Mongo client class from the MongoDB module, which we will use to connect to our database. Now we need to set up the connection string. This string tells our application where to find the MongoDB database. Define a constant variable named URI and assign it the value of your MongoDB connection URL. If you are running MongoDB locally, the connection string will typically be MongoDB://localhost:27017. Next, define another constant variable called dbName and assign it the name of your database. For example, my database. These variables will be used to establish and specify the database connection. Next, we'll create an asynchronous function to handle the connection to MongoDB. This function will be responsible for establishing the connection and handling any potential errors. Start by declaring an async function called connect to MongoDB. Inside this function, use a try catch block to handle the connection process. Within the try block, create a new Mongo client instance using the URI we defined earlier. Then, await the client.connect method to establish the connection. If the connection is successful, log a message to the console. Finally, return the client object. In the catch block, log any connection errors to the console. Now that we have a connection function, let's use it to access our database and collections. Create an asynchronous main function. Inside the main function, first, call the connect to MongoDB function and await its result to get the client object. Then, use the client.db method, passing in the DB name to access your database. Next, get a reference to a specific collection using the db.collection method, passing in the name of the collection, such as users. Now you can perform database operations on this collection. Finally, after your operations, make sure to close the client connection using await client.close. Congratulations! You have successfully set up MongoDB with Node.js. Your driver is installed, your connection is ready, you have database access, and you are now ready to start building your application. Good luck and happy coding! If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.